Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your favorites on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to find your favorites on TikTok, first head over to the TikTok app. So once you're in the app, TikTok actually gives you the option to save videos to your favorites. So go ahead and find a video that you'd like to add to your favorites. And you'll see just on the right hand side, just above the share button, there's another button. On this one, it's got the number 1974 underneath it, but that's just how many people have favorited this one. So if you just click on that one, this one has now been added to my favorites. So to be able to find this favorite, all you need to do is head over to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And next, to be able to see your favorites, just tap on the favorites button in your profile, which is down here, and you'll see this one has just been saved to my favorites. So now if I want to remove this one from my favorites, all I need to do is click on it and then press that favorites button again, and now this one will no longer appear in my favorites video section. And that's what it takes to find your favorites on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.